Hey Sequoia, Scott Thomas here with Don Boyles. We're here to talk to you about where we're at in the outage right now and the activities going forward. So operations and the refuel team have safely completed moving all 193 fuel assemblies from the reactor vessel to our spent fuel pit. With that, our focus for cooling that core shifts from the residual heat removal system, which we used to cool it while it was in the vessel, to now the spent fuel pit cooling system. So that includes 2 heat exchangers and 3 pumps, as well as our component cooling system, which we use to cool those heat exchangers. So just a reminder, if you're working around any of these components, to stop by the WCC, talk to the SRO to make sure we have the right mitigating actions in place. And with that, I'll turn it over to Don to talk about our core empty window.
So after we remove the fuel, we've got to pull what we call the core barrel. That's what houses the fuel inside the vessel. Once we pull that out, we're going to go into a Clevis bolt replacement. What's a Clevis bolt, you ask? Well, down on the bottom, to prevent that core barrel from spinning while the reactor's running, there's Clevises in there that prevent that barrel from rotating. Those are held in place by 8 bolts. We're going to replace 4 of those bolts on each of the Clevises. In order to do that, we're 65 feet underwater, and we have to use what's called electro-discharge machining. That you put electrical current to that, and it basically vaporizes the metal for you. Once we get that done, we'll replace the bolt, put a new bolt in, and we'll move around to the next Clevis. It's going to take about 17 to 18 hours per bolt to change these bolts when we get going, so it's going to be an exceptionally long core empty period. What help do I need from you? Biggest help that I need from you is to respect the refuel floor. First off, we've still got the pinch point there. Normally we only talk about that when Scott's doing refueling. Well, now we're going to be still moving that manipulator crane. So we need you to watch out for that pinch point. Make sure that you stay safe. Why are we doing this? Well, we went in the last Unit 1 outage, we inspected these with an ultrasonic test, and 38 of the 48 bolts had indications in them. So what we're doing is we're improving our plant reliability by going in and fixing this. We want to operate this plant another 40 to 60 years, and this changing these Clevis bolts will help us out.
Thanks, Don. So big picture, there's a lot of projects going on right now. So whether you're working on the Annunciator project, our Circ Water traveling water screens, the MSR project, the generator inspection, or the Clevis bolt replacements, we need to make sure we maintain focus on our fundamentals that keep us safe and taking pride in ownership and looking out for each other.
Hey Scott, have you heard any rumors lately?
No, not lately, Don.
I haven't heard any either, but if I hear any, I'll make sure to bring those up to my supervisor, and we'll get those questions answered by the plant management.
Great.
Have a safe shift, Sequoia.